Good work. First conversation class of our winter term 2018. So it was an introduction lesson talking about what we will do on the elementary group this term. And so this was the summary when I said we're going to look at the subjects, I, you, he, she, it, we and they. We're going to be looking at lots of verbs and the verb to be, positive, negative sentences and questions, long questions and short questions. Then I got you to do an introduction, introduce each other, and all the problems came up. And all these problems are what we will be looking at on elementary this term. So I've divided the board into two. These are all the sentences with the verb to be. As you can see, we have positive sentences, we have a negative sentence, we have a long question using a question word, and we have a short question which just uses the verb to be. So this is the difference between a long question. Long questions always use question words, and short questions always use the verb to be. Now on this side, we have all other verbs. We're talking about present simple here, by the way. All other verbs. I live in Watford, he lives in Watford. I speak good English, he speaks good English. These are positive sentences. In the negative, we have to say, I don't and she doesn't. Okay? And then we always use the main verb in just a normal form. For questions, big questions, we use a question word. Where do you live? For little questions, just no question word. We start with do. Do you have any kids? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you live in Watford? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Over here, back to the verb to be, we just have to remember to change the verb to be if it's I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. We did that earlier and you got it. I am 27. It is a big company. You are interested. Negative. He is not vegetarian. So for negative sentences, we just add the word not. I am 27 years old. I am not 27 years old. It is a big company. It is not a big company. You are interested in cars. You are not interested in cars. But for all other verbs, we need to play about a bit and add this little verb do or don't or does or doesn't. We're going to have to play with these and learn this term. So we always have to say, she likes fish and chips, she doesn't like fish and chips. I live in Watford, I don't live in Watford. Where do you live? And for he, we would say, where does he live? He lives in Watford. Short questions, do you have any kids, or do you live in Watford? For he, she, it, we use does. Does he live?
Does for she, she, it.
That's it. Does for he, she and it. Do for I, you, we and they. Does he live in Watford? Hey Ellis, does Daniel live in Watford? Does he live in Watford?
Yes, he does live in Watford.
Or yes, he does. Full stop. Short questions, short answers. Yes. Yes, he does. Natalia, does Aryan live in Watford?
No, he doesn't.
Perfect. Now we've really finished this board. I think we've got everything on this board, apart from maybe something like this. Is he in Watford now? Oh, bless you.
Thank you.
Hey, Edith, is he in Watford now?
Yes, he.
Good. Is he in Watford now?
No, he isn't.
That's exactly right. So I think now we've got everything on the board. And remember, elementary students, this is everything we'll be doing slowly for 10 weeks. Okay? So don't worry if you didn't understand this now. Slowly we'll do a little bit practice. A little bit and practice, okay? New words, new verbs, lots of stuff to learn. Thanks a lot.